focus more on your life, and sana you guys will realize that there really, really, really is more to life than the accounts that you have to hate on me, to hate on the people I care for, to hate in general. I feel like hating is so overrated. I feel like people just hate for fun, for no reason. And di na siya nakakatuwa, di na siya, I always say it naman, na parang, come on y'all, do not pity yourselves, do not engage, do not do any of that stuff if you think that wala ka namang maling ginawa. Therefore, you must just think wisely sometimes kung papatol ka ba o hindi, because kung papatol ka, you are only putting yourself at their level, which is not the level you want to be at. Do you want to be down there with the others? No, you don't. Therefore, you must not patol. If it gets too masakit, i-block nyo na lang, i-report nyo na lang. Or, if you cannot tolerate it, then say something nice, with respect pa rin. Kahit bash na comment yan, kill them with kindness. Wag kayong mag-fight back, but also throwing shade on them and who they're idolizing, kasi that will only add fuel to the fire. Kaya alam ko naman guys na hindi kayo mga low life 80-80, kaya alam ko that you guys are also doing your best to be the best versions of yourself. Yun lang.